Hello guys, this is Justin's Fan AOA here. Today we're going to do Subway Surfers Subway Classic 2025 gameplay. Boing! We are starting this in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Subway Surfers. Today is your first dodge is in Subway Classic. And to get things started, let's choose our character hoverboard right now. And if played before, turn off tutorials and on screens. And to do dodges, here's their dodge, what they're gonna do. Ding! Perfect. And let's get started. Welcome to Subway Surfers. We have our first dodges here in Subway Classic 2025. And here's what's new. We got a new character named Peter, and his Bun and Run outfit, White Rabbit, Bonnie's Thumper outfit, we get Ribbon, unlocked with event coins, Keddy, unlocked with money, Pins unlocked with money, Bonnie's Harajuku outfit unlocked with event coins, Festive Frank's Fortune outfit unlocked with money, Zuri's City outfit unlocked with 75 keys, Nikos' Hopper outfit unlocked with 150,000 coins, Malex's Tusk outfit unlocked with money, Izzy's Locky outfit unlocked with 100,500 coins, Coco's Dress outfit unlocked with 75 keys, Carlos's Poncho outfit unlocked with 75 keys, Ari have Dr. Flyman, Guard King, Red Panda, Thursday's Little Imp outfit, Scarlet Pistol Tackle Horror outfit, and boards we have, and they have our Circuit Bunny, Rabbit Racer, Fox unlocked with Season Hunt, Racer unlocked with event coins, unlocked with money, unlocked with event coins, and we have our The Rolls Rabbit. But are we ready? Let's do this! Our first dodge in Subway Classic starts now! You guys are in a slow flow. And look, we have our dodges here in Subway Classic. And we're back! Again! Now let's do this. Hey boys, ding ding ding, hey girls, ding ding ding, Suicide DJs. Here we go! And look, we start pre-starts going. Complete pre-starts since complete. Remember, it's our pre-starts on our first day of Subway Classic 2025. Oh, can't do upgrades because a video might contain a copyright strike at any moment. Oh, it's been a year of this. Hey boys, Suicide DJs, here we go. Hey boys, hey girls, Suicide DJ, here we go. Hey boys, hey girls, Suicide DJs. Here we go. Hey boys, Suicide DJs. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Hey guys, Suicide DJs. Here we go. Here we go now. Oh yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Classic. Classic running classic escalators. Run down it. Here we go. Whoa, great start. Let's keep going. And we have our dodges here in Subway Classic. And let's keep going. Die! Gonna say nah. And I'm gonna be surviving. And this is my first dodges here back. Not now. I'm trying to finish doing Subway Classic video. Okay. Alright. Let's keep going. Alright now. Let's keep going. And where is that 5th hunt token? Let's find it. And the hunt tokens for this World Tour are the hats. They're Jake's hats. And we found him. And 1 down. 3 to go. Let's keep going. I will kill you. Alright, this is our final Subway Surfer World Tour for summer, which means it's our 10th World Tour, and we have 7 more World Tours left for this year. And we only got 6 months until the year is over. Which means we're going to 2026. Which means we only have 8 more World Tours left till we get to our first World Tour 2026. And we're almost done with the year. 6 more months left, and 7 more World Tours to go. And the background and the music look the same. Yeah, they do. It's good to be back in the classic environment again. And this is our second time going there. Just like last year. Just like last year when we went there for the game's 12th birthday. Alright. 2 more hunts to complete. Let's keep going. And now you didn't. I didn't finish that shit and shit. Alright now, keep going. And take this. Guard. Ah, we made to that one early. Let's see rolling. And hey, Sarge. And look, it matches the year that we're in. Yeah. And here's what we're gonna unlock with event. I'm gonna unlock with event coins. Know that Ribbon and Alarmos and Rabbit Racer unlocked with event coins, and we're gonna unlock 2 of them. We're only gonna unlock Ribbon and Rabbit Racer. And Season 9 we're unlocking 1 board and 1 character. Or just, hey you! You are supposed to be dead! Oh, you finished it. You finished the 3rd one. You only got 1 more hunt to complete. Keep going. You're almost there. You're getting there. Ah, it's Ginger's player profile icon again. Let's keep going. You're supposed to be dead. Oh, we found another one. Let's keep going. And let's finish this last hunt for today. And this dodges. Die! And now your boy did it. I didn't even should have said it. Ho, ho, ho. You must be dead. Cormorant's gameplay. It's hosted starting session downstream recording channel. Recording gameplay. It's hosted first Dodge Sunway Classic 2025. And we still have 2 more tones left for pre-star hunts. Can do this. Let's finish up this dodging session. We have 1 more left. Let's keep going. 1 more tone to go. Then pre-star hunts are completed. You are supposed to be dead. The pre-star hunts are completed. So you're going to collect 10 hunt tokens for the 5 starter hunts. And let's finish up this dodging session right now. Now you're more dead than I did. You should have said it. You are supposed to be dead. Completed. Another set of dodges. Completed. First Subway Classic 2025 completed. And here are your daily high score and corner challenge rewards. Alright. Thank you for watching this. If you had liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video below. But anyways, this is Just Dance Fan 808 signing off. See you on the next video.